Can you tell me something that people probably don't know about MiNote 10?
I mean, you're the product manager, so...
You could take cinematic portraits. Why is having 108 megapixel a big deal?
I mean, would you want less detail in your photos?
No.
Then you want 108 megapixels.
Fair enough.
MiNote 10 camera feature that you couldn't live without.
Definitely vlog mode, because you could shoot short videos without post-editing. Why pen a camera?
Every lens does something different. So, got ultra wide, macro, telephoto, second zoom, and then your primary 108. Pretty dope.
Pen a camera, what's next?
So that's highly confidential. But what I can say is gonna be a lot of really cool stuff in the next few months here. Why such a big battery in MiNote 10?
Who doesn't like a big battery? That means you could use it for more than 2 days.
Your favorite color for MiNote 10 and why?
Glazer white.
Laser white.
Yeah, it looks good.
Fair. If you could add one more color, what would it be?
Transparent.
You totally stole my answer. If you could describe MiNote 10 in a single word, what would it be?
Epic. If you could describe MiNote 10 in just one word, what would it be?
Smartphone.
It is a smartphone. How fast can you say MiNote 10 is the world's first 108 megapixel pen to camera 3 times?
MiNote 10 is the world's first 108 MiNote 10 is the world's...
One more.
I give up. I can't.
MiNote 10 is the world's first 108 megapixel pen to camera. MiNote 10 is the world's first 108 megapixel pen to camera. MiNote 10 is the world's first 108 megapixel pen to camera. That was hard.
That seemed hard, yeah.
Okay, so competition time. So the first one who knows the answer to these questions, grab the MiNote 10, and then you have to give the correct answer. So try not to grab it too quickly. Question 1. How many zeros are there in 108 megapixels?
7.
Which is wrong. 6.
7 bar.
7 is the correct answer. So what's the slogan of MiNote 10?
Dream big, shoot epic.
Slogan of Mi9?
The 2019 Xiaomi flagship.
Wrong. Details matter.
48 megapixels, details matter.
Which Xiaomi phone has the fastest processor?
Mi9 and Mi9T Pro.
Mi 9 Pro 5G.
Mi9T Pro.
Mi 9 Pro 5G.
Okay, which Xiaomi phone has the biggest battery?
Mi Max 2.
Which is how many?
5,900 milliamp hours? No, 6,300 milliamp hours.
How many 5G phones does Xiaomi currently have?
I don't know. 3.
3. Mi Mix Alpha, Mi 9 Pro 5G, and Mi Mix 3 5G. So 3.
So when is Poco F2 coming?
I don't think I should answer this.
I don't know.
That's a secret.
So now it's you against the clock. So number 1, what is Xiaomi's mission?
Innovation for everyone.
Innovation for everybody.
How old is Xiaomi?
9 years.
9.
The youngest company to be named on the Fortune Global 500
Xiaomi.
list is?
Us.
How many markets can you now find Xiaomi?
Over 80.
More than 90 markets.
Xiaomi ranks among the top 5 smartphone brands in how many markets?
42.
Pass. There's too many of them.
And how many cameras does MiNote 10 have?
5.
5 on the back. 1 on the front.
Okay, yeah, it was a bit of a trick question.